Porsche is going to design the 3D printed battery gigafactory for this company, Saku. And I didn't know anything about this, but I thought it was kind of interesting.
Yeah.
Well, because it's a very unusual working relationship where, like, I think Porsche stands to benefit from this. They may very well be the main client of the output of this particular factory. But at the moment, this company, Saku, who has developed this 3D printed method for making batteries, at the moment, they actually are hiring Porsche as a consultant to help them build the factory because of their experience in manufacturing and assembly lines and so forth. So it's kind of like a roundabout situation.
In hopes that the batteries will be in the cars, in the Porsches one day.
Well, I don't think there's any official agreement on that. But instead, it's kind of more handshake. If things go well with this initial business dealing, maybe we'll become I don't know. But then you look at it a little more deeply and you wonder to yourself, okay, well, if I was Porsche and if I was going to become a client of this particular company, it may be in my best interest to actually help consult on the layout and the build out of this particular factory. Saku, which says it's the developer of the world's first 3D printed solid state battery, has paired up with Porsche Consulting because it wants to tap into the automaker's subsidiary's large scale factory design expertise. With respect for its deep expertise in automotive plant ideation and execution, we ultimately selected Porsche Consulting due to our belief that its team exhibits mastery in designing large scale manufacturing plants start to finish. The plant is large, 80,000 square feet. It's a pilot line facility in San Jose. And their goal by 2030 is to have its output at 200 gigawatts across its product line. And it wants to have 2 gigafactories by 2024. The 3D printed battery maker says sustainable design is a priority. It wants to figure out a way to maximize manufacturing and just do it in the most efficient way possible. And essentially what this means is that you could see some new battery technology, as suggested, showing up in Porsche vehicles or others, and possibly a strategic advantage. So therefore, this company, Saku, you might want to keep an eye on them. I'll throw a few bucks at it, Will.
Yeah.
That is not financial advice. Not whatsoever.
Is it public?
I'm just repeating what Electrek is talking about.
Yeah.
Don't you mean? Come on, man. No, they're actually opening the latest funding round. They're taking
a couple billies thrown around.
Oh man. Well, they're not inviting everyone, but they're definitely inviting you, Will.